What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Glory, and in today's video I'm so excited because we're going to be reviewing some new products that I recently purchased. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Pattern Beauty styling products. I've been wanting to try Pattern Beauty products for a while, but when they did their first launch, they only released, I believe, a leave-in, a shampoo, and a conditioner, and I'm not really the type of person to go ahead and purchase a shampoo, conditioner, and just a leave-in. Once they did this release, I knew I had to get my hands on these products. So before we go ahead and begin, if you like curly hair videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my social handles. I will leave them right here. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So first things first, this is what I'm working with. This is my hair. I believe this is day 4 hair. Oh my gosh, it's kind of stuck. My hair's looking nuts. Like, actually it doesn't look that bad on camera. I just feel like my hair's weighed down. I use too much product. So I'm gonna go ahead first and wash my hair. And I'm gonna use a shampoo and a conditioner because my scalp is kind of itchy. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my hair. I used the Curly Bell Almond and Shea Moisturizing Shampoo. You guys know that this is my favorite. And I did use my Hairfinity Amino Mask. You know that this is my top favorite mask. I love it. I left that in for about 10 minutes and then I washed it out. So before I go ahead and get started, I want to show you guys the products that I got. First off, I got the Stronghold Gel. I love a stronghold, so I knew as soon as I saw this that I was gonna get it. Styling gel says, never damaging or drying. Our flexible Stronghold Gel provides long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. Infused with sea moss, aloe vera, and chia seeds to nourish and fortify curls. Our gel texture has built-in slip to easily distribute throughout the hair, ideal for a slick look of your choosing and styles that need extra hold. I am the most excited for this baby. Like, I hope that it performs well because you guys know I love me a good gel. So this is what it looks like. It is thick. She is thick. She does not want to come out the jar at all. The smell reminds me of something from my childhood. I don't know what. But I really like the smell. I'm not, it's a very light smell, so it's not overwhelming. I also went ahead and purchased the styling cream. It says great for coily and tight textures, provides superior moisture penetration and the ideal oil-rich, touchable hold when setting twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and more. It has shea butter, cacao oil, and sweet almond oil to nourish the hair, to promote hair retention while preventing breakage or damage. Curls and styles stay defined in all the versatile looks our hair can create. I don't really see that it says it's meant for a wash and go, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. And it says suggested use, apply on wet or dry hair as you style or braid. And these products are also paraben-free, color-safe, silicone-free, formaldehyde-free, so that's amazing. As soon as this came out, I knew I was gonna get it as well because you guys know that I love me a good thick cream, and she seems really thick. Also, all the packaging comes with this. I love that. And this is what it looks like. Same thing. She's not going nowhere. The smell is the same. It reminds me of like a crema my mom used to buy when I was little. So actually, I don't mind the smell. A lot of people complain about the smell, but I don't see the issue. And I also purchased the leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in says, mixed with a little bit of magic, our leave-in conditioner seals curls with a lasting moisture lotion packed with nutritious oils to combat dryness while also providing a soft hold for curl pattern definition. Hair is left hydrated and ready to face the world. I like to style with a leave-in, a cream, and a gel, and I wasn't sure how thick the cream was gonna be, so I bought this just in case to give my hair a little bit more moisturized. So I purchased this as well. I believe this was $15. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was $15. And then the cream and the gel were $25 each. So in total, I spent about like $75. Oh wait, but that is not all that I got. I also got the hair pick. I saw Talise Curls using this hair pick and I was like amazed at how big it was and how cute the packaging was. So I knew I had to get this as well, and let's go ahead and open her. So it comes in this velvety slit. I really like that, and this is what she looked like. huge. Like, she's almost as big as my face. I love it. Let's go ahead and begin. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's really soft after using that deep conditioner. I love that deep conditioner. If you're looking for a good deep conditioner, it works so well. Like, I have not brushed my hair yet and my hair is soft. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is apply the leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna first section my hair off and then we'll get started. Okay, so now my hair is sectioned off. I'm gonna go ahead and begin. If you guys can tell, but my hair has grown and like really fast. If you guys would like to know what I've been doing to get my hair to grow really fast, comment down below and maybe I'll do another video. Let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the product. That's what it looks like. It's actually more thicker than I thought it was gonna be. It feels really good on the hands and I really like that smell. I'm telling you, I don't know what lotion my mom used to use, but that smells exactly like it. Ooh, I like how it feels in my hair. Lots of slip, like it's pretty thick. Alright, then now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the cream. Right, wow, okay. As thick as I thought she was gonna be. Maybe I'm gonna have to use a lot of this. Oh no, look at this. It actually feels like pretty thick. It's kind of tacky. It's actually kind of tacky. Let's see how it, I'm actually gonna put like this much for both, just in case, because I feel like, oh, that wasn't too much. Wow. I'm actually surprised that, and then now that I'm applying in my hair, like, it does not want to budge. That's crazy. Yeah, I think that was a good amount to put in it. So I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna do the gel at the end. You guys know my usual routine. I'm gonna use the praying hands method to distribute the gel on my hair, and I'm just gonna keep styling just like this. I'm taking my diamond brush and use that to define my curls, like so. Ooh. Okay. Created some nice clumps. I see no frizz whatsoever. Okay, listen, these products are really surprising me today. Like, look at that, wow. Okay, so far so good. I really feel like it's defining my hair and making my hair frizz-free. I'm really liking how it's looking. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fast forward this. I'm gonna do this to the rest of my hair. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm done using my diamond brush to style my hair. Like I said, I did use the leave-in conditioner and I used a bit of the styling cream. I liked the leave-in, I liked the feeling of it in my hair. I felt like it was very slippery. It was actually nice and like creamy. And then the styling cream, I did really like it and I feel like my hair is super moisturized. This, I feel like if I would have gone any more heavy-handed, it would have been over. I would have put too much product and it would have weighed my hair down. Even right now, I feel like maybe I put a little bit too much, but I'm really hopeful. I think that this is gonna come out really good. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Strong Hold gel and I'm gonna apply it using the praying hands method throughout my hair. This is something that I'm so excited to see how it performs. I really hope it performs well. So I'm gonna take about this much. feels really thick. I love that. Wow, she's really thick. Wow. I really like the texture of that gel. It reminds me of the Eco Styler gel, which is one of my faves. You guys already know. If you haven't watched my favorite gels video, go check that out. I will leave the link over here or down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair, and then we will be back so I can show you guys how it looks. Done diffusing my hair, and this is how it's looking. It actually looks pretty good. I'm actually surprised by how good it looks. Really good. As you can tell, I have a lot of definition. Definition is the big thing. My hair feels really moisturized. Only thing is, my hair's soft. There's no cast from the gel, which I expected more. Maybe I just didn't put too much because I wanted to be safe. So it feels like there's hold, but it's just not a hard hold, not a strong hold. Overall, I think she did a great job with phase 2. The styling products work amazing. I'm gonna play around with the gel to see if it'll work a bit better. Definitely didn't give me that strong cast that I thought it was gonna, but overall I'm very pleased with this line. I definitely want to purchase the rest of the products in this collection, because if the styling products work that great, I wonder how the shampoo and the conditioner would work. But we finally reached the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you can know when I post my next video. Comment below what you think of my results. Do you think that it did a great job? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.